So as you can tell from the title, I've got my first web client, which has left me feeling two kind of ways. So number one is obviously happy and ecstatic, but number two is like, shit, I have to do this now. So in this video, I want to tell you firstly exactly how I got the client, the industry that they're in, and my approach to designing their website. Then I'll just quickly give you a rundown of what I actually have created. I haven't quite finished it yet, as I'm just running through the final touches, but hopefully I'll have that soon, get that over to them, and hopefully they'll be chuffed with their new fancy website. Believe it or not, this happened on my first ever outreach message. I would love to say that I have some secret technique and formula, like I'm some sort of outreach Jesus, but genuinely, outright luck. But nevertheless, I'll still tell you exactly how I did it, and hopefully the same will happen for you, and if not, shortly after anyway. So let's dive straight into it. So what you need to do is go to Facebook. Facebook is such a good place for local businesses. On Facebook, there's such a community of local businesses where they try and help each other out. And especially because you yourself are a local business that's just starting out, you can happily get along with any of the people in these groups. And that's exactly what you need to do. You know, you just type into YouTube, local businesses near me, or you could be a bit more specific to your niche. Say you wanted to do hair and beauty, you type in beauty businesses near me, and then basically just get accepted into those groups. I firstly created a post in the group just to let everyone know that I am available to make some websites for people, and that I was starting out and that I would be doing it for free. So I'll just show you this here, to which I put, hey everyone, I'm a fresh-faced website designer based in, and I'm on the lookout for a small business without a website that I can whip up a fantastic site for absolutely free. It's a win-win. I get to build up my portfolio and you get a brand new online presence. All I'm asking in return is a sweet little review that I can proudly showcase on my portfolio website. If you're intrigued, shoot me a message here and let's have a chat about bringing something cool to life. Thanks a bunch. So from this post, I've had maybe 2 messages, as to which I've responded, but they just haven't replied any further than that. So to go further than just a post, it's ideal to look through who's posting consistently, because it shows that they're active on Facebook, check if they have a website, and then shoot them a message. And that's how mine came about. So I'll show you the message here. Hello mate, I'm local to yourselves and trying to start out as a website designer. I'm looking to build my portfolio by helping businesses local to me with a free website. All I'd ask in return is a review and referrals to anyone you might know who needs a website. Is this something you'd be open to? Thanks, Joe. And that was it. He responded, yeah, totally up for it. I did send him a Google form to try and get a few more details about his company and what he would want on the website, but he didn't respond to that. So kind of just cracking on and getting a website ready just to show him. I still need to work out a few things in terms of web hosting and getting the domain that he wants, and I just need to chat through that and also tell him that obviously he will need to cover the web hosting costs because I won't be doing that for free. But other than that, if he takes that, then I believe that'll be one really good review to start off with and put on my portfolio. I have a portfolio website ready, I just want to have some pieces of work done before I make that go live. So now I'm just going to quickly run through the website that I have made. So it's quite a basic one. I didn't want to do too many pages because I hadn't had much information from them. So I didn't want to go crazy and then be like, oh no, we didn't really want that. So yeah, as you can see here, just straight into our services, and then just a bit of information about the company, some testimonials, and then a form to send them a message at the end. I still need to do some work on the footer, but that's pretty much the last piece of the puzzle. So I have an About Us page, just a quick little something like that. Services, which also I've used a quick CMS tool just to allow certain pages that explains each service and why they should get it. So yeah, we're pretty much there. I just feel like I have a few things that I want to add to it. I believe I should probably put a phone number at the top of the site because you've got to think of these things in terms of the customer going to the site. What do they want? They probably just want a phone number so that they can call them and ask the question. So if they can find that number straight away on the website, happy days. And that's it for this video. So thank you so much for watching once again. Please do like and comment, shoot me a message on X, and yeah, have a lovely weekend. See you later. Bye bye.